hair.
What? Why are you looking at that? You know I was gonna get
I don't want to wear pink today. Okay. Let's see, what do we have?
So the super fixes it. Please don't.
In the morning? What are they, farmers? Ooh, Mom will be back to work.
Alrighty.
Hit up the club? Isn't that what you young people say?
We don't say that. Ever.
Get lit.
Please stop. All set to go. Now, Kasey, I'm really cancelling you. Will you show me can handle this?
You're lucky about rides like that. You see,
I think I'm gonna just go ahead and let my hair down. Just a little bit more. Okay, ready? I'm ready. Okay. I just gotta put on my shoes.
twice if you can. But I won you back. Hey, I'm gonna make it up to you, okay? We're gonna do something super cool this weekend. Money is absolutely no object. As long as there's enough of it in that drawer. How are there so many people up at this hour? Hey, you wanna get a coffee?
Ooh, Poppy, I love your car. Your car is beautiful. I love the Jeep. Oh, you do? Yeah. I'm kind of like tomboyish, but I also like to be cute as a girl. Oh. I wonder what it has on the menu today. Oh yeah, I'm so glad we got out today. Like, I wish sis could be here. Me too. Yeah. What are you getting? I think I'm gonna get the pancake. No, we never did the pancakes. Hello, you guys. Okay, be with you in a minute. Oops, I am a little sharp. Yeah, so I'll be right with your order. I have to get them first because they were here first. Okay, no problem. We still looking at the menu. Okay. Okay, so how may I help you girls? Yes, I would like a can I get a yogurt with a muffin and a banana? Okay, sure. All right, a yogurt muffin and a banana. And can I get something for you? Yes, I would like to have do y'all have I would like a coffee with um a cupcake. Do you have cupcakes? Yeah, we have cupcakes. Okay, so you want a coffee with a cupcake, and you want a banana yogurt and a muffin. Yes. Okay. We'll be out shortly. Okay. Okay.